What up? Welcome to Zero Drop Shoe Guy. Today I've got these brand new Whitins that came in the mail from Amazon. I paid $32.99 for these. It's a pretty good price. The reason why I like them, they have the exact same sole as the Merrell Trail Glove. Not the latest one, but the one before. For the price, I think it's crazy value. I haven't worn them yet. There might be some issues, but so far, I'm very impressed. No box. They come in a bag, so this isn't really an unboxing video. It's an unbagging video. Let you check out that sole. Here's the back part. Now, Whitin seems to be newer. I haven't seen them around. I do have a concern about the sizing. Here it says 45 in European sizes, I'm assuming. Normally I'm a 46. Now I got the size 12 USA size. We'll see how that works out. Usually with these kind of strange brands, sizing is an issue. So we'll check it out. I bought some Feiyus. I had to buy at least 2 different pairs to get the right size. I love the white on tan. I think that's awesome. So let's do this. Let's just get into it. Double bag. That's a very light shoe. An extra pair of laces, same color. Interesting. Okay, this feels really good. It feels better than I thought it would. Looks like we have a removable little sole here. And it feels like you can wear the shoe without this little cushion. Nice. Much lighter than I thought it would be. That's fantastic. Well, alright guys. I'm gonna wear these, and in a week I'll let you know what I think.